I'm Isaac Harvey, work with sofSURFACES. I actually met with the city of Rahway back in 2019, and we sat down really just as a conversation, and I think maybe what was on the front of both of our minds was just improving the safety of the parks here in Rahway. We talked about maintenance, and we talked about the impact on the kids and the lifestyle of the community and things like that, but we were both really just focused on improving the safety at the playgrounds as a pretty practical step. We're not just improving safety here at the playgrounds, but we're bringing communities closer.
My name is Mike Smalling. I'm the Director of Public Works for the City of Rahway. I was very intrigued by the material and the application that we could use it for. So anytime you can find something that will save you time and energy and manpower is just huge. And this was one of those things that I saw that would be just a win-win for everybody. I'm blessed with an administration that, number one, isn't afraid to try new things, and number two is all about the kids.
My name is Mayor Raymond Giacobbe. I'm the mayor here in the city of Rahway, and I've been involved with sofSURFACES probably a couple years ago at Steinfield when you did your first surface. It was a great addition to our parks. Safe play surface is always a priority. Our children's safety is always a priority. And when we saw the impact that it had on that field, we decided to expand it to other fields as well, including here today, Madden Field.
A lot of my guys in the Public Works Department, the majority of them live right here in town. They grew up on these same parks that we're working in right now. And you throw a new idea at them, they're really receptive, especially if it's going to save some time and energy down the road.
One of the things that was on their mind was maintenance and how do we take care of these parks. I think we've proven them right in this experience that they've had with us that maintaining these tiles and working with us on these tiles is really, it's a zero maintenance product.
The kids get something safe to play on for now, and as long as the material is in place, which is guaranteed for lifetime. I can't say enough about it. I really think it's an awesome thing to do, and it benefits the community all the way around. And I think it saves money in the long term, but the biggest thing is it's safe, and it stays safe.
We're not just improving safety here at the playgrounds, but we're bringing communities closer.
Working with sofSURFACES has been awesome. They're very responsive. I give Isaac a call and he's there. So it's been a really good experience.
They were willing to sit down, just consider, okay, in the long run, which really matters, what are these parks going to look like and how's it going to affect them? So that was, I think, what I liked most about working with the city of Rahway.
So it was a really cool project, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
The ability to have peace of mind on these parks and come together and simply just enjoy your time, enjoy community, enjoy some good pizza, some good food, it's a blast. I think that's what it's all about.
To be able to provide the structure and the surface to our future generations, it truly holds a special place in my heart.
And when you have something that's safe for the kids constantly, it's not going to change. It's the whole life of the product. How can you say no to that?